Hello, my name is METİN. This is 133rd part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, protons are chargeless particles. Quarks must have integer multiples of E equal to 0.1592 unitless constant of electron motion form, 2 components. Proton doesn't have a charge. As I told you before, charge concept in accepted physics is wrong. There is a constant that I put forth, 1.6 10 to the minus 1 or 0.1592 unitless constant of electron motion forms, 2 components. C direction component of electron motion form, linear velocity component of electron motion form, and E 0.1592 unitless constant for the first cycle electron motion forms, 2 components constant. Speed of light divided by linear velocity 1,884,000 km per second, and etc. I advise you to watch my former videos. Yes. As I told you before, charge concept in accepted physics is wrong. There is a constant that I put forth and temporarily denoted, I denoted as E, with as E, that is nothing to do with in accepted physics E with unit C, Coulomb. This constant that I named is electron motion forms, 2 components, velocities, masses, energies, unitless constant ratio. Shortly, electron motion forms, 2 components, unitless constant. E is equal to 0.1592 or shortly 0.16. E equal to 0.1592 unitless constant is specific to intrinsic electron motion form or electron motion form-like motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter. Protons are not electron motion forms or electron motion form-like motion forms. Therefore, they have not E equal to 0.1592 electron motion form, 2 components, unitless constant. According to my theory and my formulas, protons' constituent parts, quarks, are electron motion form-like motion forms that are much more small than 91 15 nanometer radius size electron motion forms, which are most common electron motion forms in our universes. Each quark must have same E equal to 0.1592 unitless constant like all electron motion forms. Quarks must have integer multiples of unitless E constant. Don't forget, elementary charge E with Coulomb unit in accepted physics is wrong concept. And in accepted physics, quarks don't have integer multiples of elementary charge. They have charge as 1 divided by 2q, 1 divided by 3q, etc. This was wrong also. I guess quarks have made joint motion and they have connected each other. Therefore, they constitute the proton. We can say these are connected quarks or bound quarks that are not free. As I told you before, only free electron motion forms can produce and propagate successive waves. And they were effective according to my theory and my formulas. Free electron motion forms successive waves, or free electron motion form-like motion forms successive waves, affect p-bound electron motion forms, and they may break the tie between proton and p-bound electrons. Okay. As I told you before, only free electron motion forms can produce and propagate successive waves. By the way, this is so important. I warn you, accelerator physicists, particle accelerator physicists. I warn you, particle accelerator physicists, and all physicists and all the people. By the way, if a particle accelerator was managed to make a quark separate from proton with maybe 10 to the minus 10 scale smaller wavelength size than 91.15 nanometer wavelength size electron motion forms, quarks would wholly destroy and annihilate all of our known elements and atoms by their successive waves. Have a good evening. See you later.